Question 26 says find the value of y in the diagram below. There were no options were actually listed in this question, but we are going to solve it. But one thing you need to understand is opposite angles are equal. So this place is going to be what? 3y. And this place is going to be what? 2y. Now this is a triangle, and you know that the sum angles of a triangle is what? It's 180 degrees. So 5y plus 3y plus 2y is going to give us 180. The reason being that these are sum angles of a triangle. So that's the reason. So 5y plus 3y is 8y plus 2y. So this is 10y is equal to 180 degrees. Our y will be 180 divided by 10. And this is going to give us what? 0 cancels 0. So this is going to give us 18 degrees. So our y is 18 degrees. Final answer. Now, 27 says if x is an acute angle and tan x is equal to 5/12, evaluate sine x. Okay, so it says the x is an acute angle. Now, let's draw our triangle. Okay, so let's say this is our x. Remember, an acute angle is an angle lesser than 90 degrees. So this is our x. Now, remember, from your SOHCAHTOA, you have your tangent to be opposite over adjacent. So our tan x is 5/12. So tan x will be, this is our opposite, 5 over adjacent. So this will be what? 12. So we need to get what? This, the hypotenuse. Now, how do you find your hypotenuse? Your hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So this is going to be, let's call our hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse square will be 5 square plus 12 square. Hypotenuse square is going to be 25 plus 12 square is going to give us 144. Our hypotenuse square is going to give us, when you sum this up, you're going to get 169. Therefore, hypotenuse is going to be square root of 169. And that's going to give us what? 13. So now we know that our hypotenuse is 13. To evaluate sine x is what? Remember, your sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Now remember, our opposite is what? 5, and our hypotenuse is now what? 13. So our final answer, it's 5/13, and the correct option here is A. Now question 28 says express the true bearing 196 degree. This is 196 degree as a compass bearing. Now, when you are asked to express as a compass bearing, the first thing you need to do is draw your north, your south pole, your west, and your east. And when you do this, you have to start from your true north and draw 196 degrees. So from here to here, it's what? 90 degree. Down to here, it's 180. 196 is going to fall around here. So now from here to here is 180. This place is 196. Now to get this angle here, this angle here is going to be 196 minus 180, and that will give us what? 16 degree. So we already know now that here is 16 degree. So our final answer is going to be, reading from the south, is going to be south 16 degree west. So you read from your south. You always read clockwise. So this is our final answer, and the correct answer here is option A. Now question 29 says find the LCM of 8 and 9. So 8 and 9, so you just draw your LCM table. So this is 2 into 8, it's 4, 2 into 9 cannot go, so you write your 9. 2 here is 2, you have your 9, 2 here is 1, you have your 9, 3 can go, 1, 3, and 3 here will be 1 and 1. So this is going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Brings it back to 2 times 2 times, so that's 8 times 9, which is 72. Now, the first thing you needed to have done is to understand that 8 and 9, nothing can divide both of them. So you just multiply it and you get your final answer, which is going to be D. Now, question 30 says, round off 0.0625 to 3 decimal places. Now, in order to solve this question, for us to round this up, we write our 0.0625. So 3 decimal place is supposed to end here. We'll approximate our 5. Since this is up to 5, it's going to become 1, and we'll add it up to these 2. So it's going to be 0.063 to 3 decimal place. Now count your decimal place. You have 1, 2, and 3. So this is our final answer, and the correct answer here is A.